Hello guys, welcome back to Tellaville 2022.
Where's your cafe, buddy?
I don't know.
Is it broken?
Yeah.
Poor Zachary's cafe. No, buddy. Is this it here?
Yeah.
I wonder what happened. Why is Tellaville so broken?
Been around for a long time. It got old.
It got old.
Yeah. What tornado is this in? Double shovel.
What's up here? Or maybe it's a bad idea to be that adventurous.
What?
Where are you, Zach? Oh my goodness. This is near the train.
On top of a broken pole.
On top of a broken pole.
Yeah. There's a train.
Oh, I can see you. Zach, your goose. Zach. What are you doing?
Hey ho, I don't know. Yeah, dude. You can find me.
What type of tornado is this one?
Double trouble.
Nah.
I will die.
Did you die? You know you can drink and eat when you're in a tornado?
Yeah,
That's how I survive sometimes.
me too. I do that. What do I do now?
You're trying desperately to take a drink to get your health back.
Yeah. My health goes down.
Mm.
Oh,
What's the next disaster after this?
I don't know. Maybe nothing.
Ah. Maybe I need to summon something.
It's still stuck in the tornado. Pull me out. Tornado dude. Look at that. Welcome. Buffalo.
Right. Zach, you big goose. I found you. Hey.
Yes. Fine.
What? Oh. Hope people haven't done a heap of hurricanes because that's going to get really boring. Where are we going to hide? Hide a brick building?
Where? I will die. Right. This What's this hurricane called?
Ida.
Okay,
Oh dear.
fine.
Bit crazy.
Yeah. When I was sleeping. When I was sleeping. When I was sleeping. It'll be easy. I'll go with 5. We pick away.
Where are you, Zach?
And I was the rubbish bin.
In a rusty rubbish bin?
Yeah.
Where's that?
My building.
I'll try and find your little buddy.
Pick with me.
Where though? It's getting crazy out here.
I haven't used one health yet in this hurricane.
Haven't you?
Yeah.
I don't even know where you are.
No one can find me in here.
This is a mess.
Now my coffee shop.
Yeah, well, I can't find anything because it's so broken.
Okay. It's next to my coffee shop.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know, buddy.
Okay.
Isn't that your coffee shop?
Yeah. Right here. I'm jumping in the sky. Here.
Where have you been, you
I
turkey?
show you. Follow me. Show me. Behind this. Here. The rubbish bins.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, I like hiding here.
Oh, we survived.
Yeah.
Cool.